Today my topic is myoglobin and hemoglobin. Hemoglobin and myoglobin are not enzymes. Their function consists in the reversible binding of molecular oxygen. Myoglobin serves to store oxygen for its subsequent utilization. Therefore, large amount of hemoglobin are contained in the organism of whales existing predominantly underwater. Hemoglobin is the functional protein of erythrocyte which serves for the transportation of oxygen from the lungs to all organisms and tissues and which participate in the reverse transportation of CO2. Myoglobin function primarily serves to store oxygen in muscle tissues and release it when oxygen levels are low during muscle contraction. Myoglobin found mainly in muscle tissues. Hemoglobin function. Hemoglobin main role is to transport oxygen from the lungs to the tissues and carry carbon dioxide from the tissue back to the lungs for exhalation. Hemoglobin found in red blood cells. Myoglobin has a higher affinity for oxygen than hemoglobin, which allows it to act as an efficient oxygen store molecule in muscle. Hemoglobin, due to its cooperative binding, can more efficiently pick up and release oxygen as needed, making it ideal for oxygen transport rather than storage. Bohr effect in hemoglobin. Hemoglobin's oxygen binding affinity influ- influenced by pH and carbon dioxide concentration at lower pH. Hemoglobin affinity for oxygen decrease, which facilitated lets oxygen release. This is known as the Bohr effect. Myoglobin, in contrast, is not affected by pH or carbon dioxide in this manner. My next topic is cooperative property of enzyme. Cooperative property of enzyme refer to the phenomena where the binding of a substrate to one active site of multimeric enzyme and influences the binding affinity of other active site. This is often observed in enzymes with multiple subunit or binding site, and the interaction between these sites can lead to either positive or negative cooperativity. Cooperativity. Key type of cooperativity. Positive cooperativity. When the binding of the substrate to one site increase the affinity of other site for additional substrate molecules. Example: hemoglobin, although not an enzyme, exhibit, exhibits positive cooperative in oxygen binding. An enzyme example is phosphofructokinase. A negative cooperative. When the binding of the substrate to one site decreases the affinity of other sites. Example: threonine deaminase exhibits negative cooperativity. The sigmoidal kinetics of cooperative enzymes. A cooperative enzyme often exhibit a sigmoid shaped curve when reaction velocity is plotted against substrate concentration. This is different form of hyperbolic curve seen in classic Michaelis-Menten Kinetics for non-cooperative enzyme. Allosteric regulation. Regulation of metabolic pathway. Cooperative enzyme often act as key regulatory point in the metabolic pathway, responding sensitively to change in substrate, controlling biological process affinity. Switch-like behavior. The cooperative binding allows enzyme to act more like switch, rapidly transitioning from low activity to high activity, which is the critical for controlling biological process efficiently. This cooperative behavior is controlled to the fine tuning enzyme active in response to the metabolic need of a cell. Thank you.